Hey everyone and welcome! Today, we're diving into Kamin Kanazawa, a stunning 4.5-star hotel in Nonoichi, Japan. Before you book, there are a few key things you should know. Be sure to use the link in the description or scan the QR code to book your stay for the best deals. Kamin Kanazawa is located in Nonoichi, a quieter area near Kanazawa. You're close to attractions like the Omicho Fish Market and Higashichaya Old Town, but not right in the busiest areas. It's a great balance of accessibility and tranquility. Expect comfortable rooms with air conditioning, heaters, and essential amenities like hair dryers and toiletries. The description doesn't specify room sizes, but the hotel aims for a luxurious experience overall. Check-in starts at 3 p.m., giving you plenty of time to settle in. Checkout is at 10 a.m., so planned accordingly. This early checkout time might require you to be out of your room slightly earlier than other hotels. The hotel description doesn't specify breakfast, so confirm availability and cost before booking if breakfast is important to you when choosing a hotel. You're within walking distance of Omicho Fish Market and Higashichaya Old Town. Kanazawa Station is about a 1.2 kilometers walk or a short taxi ride, giving you access to wider transport options. Families with children aged 0 to 5 stay free, making it a great option for those with young kids. This is a significant perk, so take advantage of it if you're traveling with little ones. With a high review score of 9.3, Kamin Kanazawa aims to offer exceptional value. Consider the price against the quality to see if it fits your budget. Check for any extra fees before you book. Guests consistently praise the facilities, cleanliness, and value for money, with an average review score of 9.3. The good reviews suggest that Kamin Kanazawa is a reliable choice. The 10 a.m. checkout time is something to consider, especially if you prefer a more relaxed morning. Ensure your schedule aligns with this policy. The hotel offers laundry services, which is incredibly convenient for longer stays. This saves you the time and hassle of finding an external laundromat. So, there you have it. The key things to know before booking your stay at Kamin Kanazawa. With its excellent reviews and convenient location, it could be the perfect choice. Remember to use the link or the QR code in the description for the best deals.